Hello, this is m.alshehaby. In this After Effects video, I'm gonna show you how to create a cylindrical 3D spherical animation like this sample. Just a couple of easy simple steps, and you will get a cool animation effect for your text. I will start off here and open a new composition. Give it a name if you want to. I will keep it on a full HD size. 30 frames per second, 30 seconds duration, then hit OK. Ctrl T to select the type tool and type your own text. I'm using one of the Castle fonts family. Thick and nice for our purpose today. Press Y from the keyboard and start centering your anchor point. Then again press R to bring up the rotation option. And I will rotate my text about 90 degrees. Now I need to expand and extend my text across my comp to the far right and the far left. Go to the Effects panel and look for the CC Reptile effect. Double click on it or hold it and drag it on your layer. Now we've got your effect in the Effect Controls panel. I will use only the two options to expand my text to the far right and far left. Hold and drag with your mouse to the far right until you reach out to the end of your composition. Just make sure you don't have any empty areas here. Otherwise, your text won't loop perfectly. Then from the Extend Left option, hold and drag with your mouse again to extend your text to the left. Again, make sure that you don't have any empty areas here, because if you do, your text will look like this here. See the gap between them? In case your text didn't line up perfectly with your comp, you have one of two options. Either reduce or increase the width of your comp, or play with your font size. Once you finish, go to Effect panel and look for the CC Cylinder effect. Double click on it, and you will have it here in the Effect Controls panel as well. I will open the rotation option. I will use the rotation X and rotation Z to give my text some good position. However, I will use rotation Y for my animation. Move my rotation X to the right a little. Then from rotation Z, I will take it to the left about minus 90 degrees. You can move around those two parameters X and Z rotations to get the look you desire. Since we expanded our text perfectly to the end of our comp, see here there is no space or gaps between our text. Our text is looping perfectly. Now from rotation Y, I will start our animation. Notice, if you move to the right, the rotation is going clockwise. However, if you move to the left, you will move otherwise. Click on the stopwatch to create the first keyframe. Just make sure your timeline indicator is set wherever you want your animation to start. I have it here in the beginning. Then remove your timeline indicator as far as you want. I will place it at the end of my composition. And I will go clockwise with my animation. So I will move to the right. And from this number here, decide how many times you want your animation to loop within your 30 seconds. I will loop it 4 times as a start. Now press on the spacebar to check your animation. The animation looks kinda fast. I will go back to that looping number and just drop it to 3 times. Three loops in 30 seconds seem like a better option. Let's give this animation a nice kick with some extra effects. Open the light drop menu. You have light intensity option. I will increase it to make it lighter on my text. Also from light height. Choose the light color that goes well with your text. I will keep mine on white. You've also got light direction. Set it as you please. Then open the shade and drop menu. Ambient option is very cool. Increase or decrease the amount of light around your text. Make it lighter or darker. I like how it looks now. I will try my animation again. This was our Cylindrical 3D spherical animation. Thanks for watching. Till next video, have a good day.